The question is 18 divided by 3 in brackets 3 plus 3 minus 3. So first let's solve 18 divided by 3, which is 6. Inside the brackets 3 plus 3, these 3's cancel each other out, and here 3 remains. Now let's continue. 6 times 3 equals 18, but this is wrong. Now, let's rewrite the question. 18 divided by 3 with 3 plus 3 minus 3 in brackets. First, we'll solve the bracket. The plus 3 and minus 3 will cancel each other out. Inside the bracket, only 3 will remain. So it's 18 divided by 3 with 3 in brackets. Now, we'll multiply the bracket. 18 divided by 3 times 3. So first we'll solve the division, and after that we'll solve the multiplication. So 18 divided by 3 times 3. 3 cancels out with 3 here, so what remains is 18. This is the right transfer.